MSC Seascape was at its private island, Ocean Cay, when the mooring line snapped, thankfully not causing any injury to passengers, crew, or the ship. Of course, MSC is quick to blame a sudden storm that overcame the ship, putting undue pressure and tension on the mooring lines. But mooring lines snap for a variety of reasons. Of course, a storm can be one, but usually overloading, improper maintenance or inspection, or even human error for them not securing the mooring lines appropriately. This is not the first time I have reported on a mooring line failure. There was an NCL case earlier in the week where the mooring lines failed, and several last year, which means that these big ships require more secure ways to fasten them to the dock. Imagine a rubber band snapping and breaking. The recoil can cause enormous damage, and we're grateful and thankful that no one was hurt. For more information from a lawyer who sues cruise lines for a living, like MSC, my name is Spencer Ehrenfeld. I'm the cruise ship lawyer. Hit the plus button and follow. And as always, folks, have a safe cruise.